Okay, let's start to remove the scratches and tint the windows. This might be a good idea or not, but stay on the channel and you will see. Okay, so this body needs some updating, but let's inspect it first. Here is some scratches, the windows, here and here. We need to get rid of them first. After that, we add windows on both sides and then we tint them. And this is actually the first time I'm using this, so let's see how it works. Alright, here we go. So these are so deep that they probably need to be sanded. But let's try it once again. Not bad, but not very good either. So let's try this side. For me, it is enough if I can soften these a little bit. This doesn't have to be removed entirely. Right, inspection. So far it looks much better. They are not too sharp, so maybe 1 or 2 passes and it will be fine. So this is how it starts to look like. Time to clean this window. Just remember, use only soap, no solvents or anything like that, no chemicals. It will destroy your window. The scratches are almost gone. I polished all the windows, so the result is very good. Let's move on to the last window. And I can already say that the scratch is gone. What I need to do is a little bit polish that, otherwise there is this gray. So all of the windows are now polished. There is no scratches anymore and they are looking pretty good, and now we can move to the adding some windows to the doors. Right, so next I will make the windows from the polycarbonate sheet I have here, and then we tint them. My trusty old scissors. Now it's good. Let's make another one. Now we have 4 windows and we can tint them. The windows are now tinted and next I will put them in place. Looking very good. Right, so inspection. It really does look much better, I think. So this is how it looks like when all the pieces are put together. I think the black tinted windows really makes it look like more realistic, so the windows looks pretty good. Even it's not bright, shiny, clear window with scratches on it. I think this looks much better. A little bit grey, but much better. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope that we see you in the next video. Peace out!